and then smoked and Canada. After that, we will be making huevos ranchos. And lastly, once you finish preparing all the dishes, in my station I've added some fresh veggies and including some fresh fruits. What you do is that you will come to my station and pick any of these ingredients and I will make juice out of it. So before we start the class, Ms. name will be coming out with some sheets of papers, and those are just to assign your table numbers. So how we work over here, we work 2 guests per station. So what you can do, you can take out 1 sheet of paper for you and your partner.
Wow.
Can I take back the paper? It's your number. Number 3. There you go.
Number 3.
Or not?
Yeah.
That's kind of separate.
We're together,
Well, now that our table numbers are assigned, I would like to request all of you to kindly wash your hands over here. We have set up 3 hand wash stations for each and one of you, and once your hands are washed, you can move to your respective stations. And over there in the stations, you'll find some aprons on top of your station. You can put them on. So come follow me, I will show you the way. So we have 1 hand wash station over here. We have 1 hand wash station over here, and the rest of you can use this hand wash station over here.
Over here.
Oh, we're right here. Okay, cool. That works. As long as it's definitely recording all this.
Station. Firstly, I'd like to give you a short brief. As you can see, there are a lot of ingredients in front of you. So these ingredients, for your conveniences, we have measured them and kept them for you. Also, on the right hand side of your screen, you can see the recipes with measured quantities in it. So before we start the class, I'd like to share with you very important information. Is that as per the universal advisory that we need to follow, no food is allowed to go outside from this kitchen. That means whatever we prepare over here, a small tasting portion of 1 or 2, you can have it as much as you want, but no food is allowed to go outside from this Carnival kitchen. And lastly, at the end of the class, I'll be assigning pen and paper on station number 3 to write down your email addresses. So why I'm asking your email addresses is because I'll be sending all of these recipes with some extra tips and information that will be easy for you all to cook back in home. So firstly, as you can see in your recipe set, we're going to be preparing the French toast. For that, before we can start, as I told you earlier, we're short on time, so that's why we're going to be doing half of the quantity over here. So under your station, you will find 2 mixing bowls. So you're going to take out 1 mixing bowl from under your station. Take out 1 mixing bowl from under your station. Okay, so I'll be changing the timer so it's easy for you to watch. Okay, now in a small black bowl, you will find eggs, fresh whole eggs. So we're going to be cracking 2 whole eggs into the mixing bowl. So on top of the station, near your water sink station, you will find eggs, fresh whole eggs in a small black bowl. So we're going to be cracking 2 whole eggs into the mixing bowl. And then you can keep the eggshell in the garbage bin in front of you. So you find the garbage bin looking like this.
We're going to dump the eggshell.
Okay. Now, on top of your station, in your kitchen utensil holder, you will find 1 whisk. There will be 1 flat whisk looking like this, as I'm showing in the screen also. There will be 1 flat whisk. So first, we're going to cook in the egg yolk and beat it a little bit. Beat it a little bit. Now in this, we're going to be adding sugar. So near your water station, in a small steel bowl, you will find sugar looking like this. Sugar. So this is half a cup of sugar. So we're going to take the whisk, just scrape it a little bit. There you go. Now, all of you can keep the soiled bowls on top of your station so that it will be easy for our player to clear it out. Now we will mix everything together.
It looks like they're trying to show us tips on how to cook at the top. You might be able to dump it in someday.
Okay. Now, on top of your station, in the measuring flask, you will find milk. So in this milk, you want to add vanilla essence and a bit of nutmeg zest. So now we will be pouring it into our egg and sugar mixture. Very good. Incorporate everything together. Okay, now we're going to be using the measuring spoons. So, are you all in the same page? Okay, great. So now, we're going to be using half a teaspoon and half a TSP. So you will find these measuring spoons on top of your side towel. So we're going to be taking the measurement of half a TSP of cinnamon and then adding into our mixing bowl. So on top of your station, you will find some spice containers, and one of the spice containers is the cinnamon. So you're going to be taking the measurement of half a teaspoon. You can keep the measuring spoons beside your station, so it will be using it later on. Now mix everything together.
I'm just going to start over to this. Perfect.
Okay. So now we will mix it together. Now once we done mixing it, you can keep the whisk in the garbage bin in front of you. Once you done mixing nicely, you can keep the whisk in the garbage bin in front of Okay, so now we're going to be turning on our induction. So now we're going to be frying the French toast. For that, under your station you will find two knobs. Under your station you will find two knobs. We're going to be turning on the left hand side knob clockwise for the lower induction. And the number will be indicated on top of induction on the left hand side. So once again, under your station you will find two knobs. We're going to be turning on the left hand side knob clockwise, and the number will be indicated on top of induction on the left hand side. So the number that I'm looking for is number 5. There you go. Can I assist you?
Number 5.
Number 5? Okay.
I can't see it.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, thank you.
We got about 30 minutes.
Awesome, thank you.
Okay, so are we all in the same page? Okay. Now, on top of your station, in your kitchen utensil holder, you will find one silicone rubber spatula. So just keep it beside your station, because we will be using it. And in a steel bowl, you will find clarified bottle looking like this. As I'm showing in the screen, you will find clarified bottle looking like this. You will find it near your water station. So what we do is that we're going to be pouring in only half of it. Pour only half of it. Yes, only half. And now, near your water station, you will find baguette bread which has been sliced into two. So what we'll do is that, watch me carefully in the screen as I will show you how we're going to be doing it. I'll just clear my table a little bit. So what I will do is that, watch me carefully, press it a little bit, then flip it upside down, this is a right port, and take it out, like this. Like this. Then what you do is that from the side edges, the hard part, you can squeeze it a little bit so that the excess batter drains out. Don't squeeze too much or else that will damage the shape. Then what you do is that, watch me carefully, in your pan, from your side, let it fall forward. Why? So if the pan splashes, it won't splash on you, it will splash forward. So now we'll just wipe our hands a little bit, and now you can keep the batter on top of the station. So what we do is that on board here, we soak in this kind of batter our French toast for around 12 hours. So what we do is that we take a big pan, in the pan we add the batter and a coconut tray, a tray with holes in it, we arrange the bucket bread, and then we dip it and let it dip for around 12 hours to get soaked and absorbed. Then we take it out and leave it for like around 1 hour so that the excess batter drains out. Or else your batter, your bread will become very soft. You can't able to do it, it will become mushy. So to retain its shape, we did it here like this way. Just dip it 1 or 2 times and then take it out, drain out the excess batter and then transfer it to the pan. Okay. So this was our 12-hour French toast. After a few minutes, I'll be asking all of you to keep on checking your French toast from the bottom. If the bottom side gets a nice color to it, then we'll just flip it upside down. Okay, so I'll be changing the slide in your screen. So as you can see, I have changed the slide in your screen. Now we are moved to making the smoke camp data. For that, from one day station, we're going to be taking out one more mixing bowl. And in this bowl, we're going to be cracking 3 whole eggs. 3 whole eggs. Okay, I'll be just asking every one of you to check your French toast now from the bottom whether it's getting a nice color or not. Okay, so it needs a little bit more time.
Right here.
What did you do with the whisk, man?
It's in the thing with the eggs. Giving us the lemon. You give us the lemon.